Ayun na nga po mga katibas, kasama natin ang pinakabagong couple ngayon. Kinonfirm na.
Bago?
Yung lalaki, ex ko.
Oh, really?
Tapos yung babae, ex naman ni Tekla.
Ay,
O, diba?
meant to be talaga, no?
Correct. Please welcome ang binibining marikit na pak sa kagandahan.
Sobra.
Walang iba kundi si binibining Herlin Budol at ang di umano'y kanyang special someone. Di umano ang napakasikat na Irish Thai model turned actor Kevin Dayson.
Yeah!
Hello, welcome to
Welcome to
Tiban.
Ang ganda naman ni Herlin.
Welcome back, man.
Hello, sir.
Yes. Hi, Kevin. Welcome.
Hello.
to
Good to see you
Tiban.
again, po.
Sawadee
Ayan
ka.
na,
Sawadee ka.
Sawadee ka. Okay, may take your seat
Yeah.
na. Saya ka.
Batiin mo naman sila ng Thai. Hindi mo kasi ako...
Wait. Ulit.
Ulit.
Ayan, ulit.
Ay, napaka-gentle
Ayan,
naman.
Diba?
Hindi nga po mangyari, hindi rin ako gaganon din.
Oh, sige ba?
Plastic
Baka kasi
kasi
kinakabahan
Normally
siya.
the chairs are shorter.
Aha.
Grabe. Alam niyo may chemistry kayo.
Kayo. Walang...
Totoo ba?
Agad-agad, di ba?
Guys, okay.
Oo, pero
Chemistry
syempre si
daw.
Tekla kanina pa niya sinasabi sa akin.
Oo.
Gusto niya ako kayong kamustahin.
Oh, Herlin. Eto na nga, Herlin. Pakilala mo naman kami kay Kevin.
Ayan, syempre, pinapakilala ko sa inyong lahat.
Palengke lang.
Bar.
Sino ba yan?
Sino ba yan?
Si Kevin Daso.
Hi, Kevin
Hi, Kevin Daso.
Si Kevin,
Ang
si Kevin.
gwapo.
Di ba? You're so handsome. My gosh. You are so... No, the term is gorgeous.
Yeah,
You're
good looking.
gorgeous, yes. Do
Okay.
you speak Tagalog? Filipino language?
Konti lang. Pero mas maintindihan.
Okay.
Then magsalita.
Grabe, pero magaling na
Wow,
siya.
God.
In fairness.
And soon we will learn.
Yes. For the moment, my friend Tekla will translate
Don't worry.
everything to you,
Okay.
okay?
Yeah.
Okay, here's the first sentence, okay?
Good luck to me.
Ano ang first impression mo kay Herlin noong una kayong nagkita? Do you understand?
I understand. that,
Okay. Okay.
Lepahat. Thailand.
Hindi.
Sorry.
Hindi tayo
Naintindihan
English.
niya yun, di ba naintindihan mo yun?
Pero he wanted to
Okay.
translate.
Do you still
He wanted
remember?
to translate
Pero you
your part.
understand.
Yeah, I understood.
I would translate that Bubay said. And first, you met Herlin. How was your impression
Yeah.
to her?
First, not second, okay? First
Well,
impression.
My first impression of Herlin because I didn't know who Herlin was. I
Yes.
didn't know
During
who-
that time.
During our screen test, diba? That was the
Screen
first time we met
test.
our screen test. And my first impression was like many people were surrounding her. Right now, I'll say because we're very close right now. We joke around with each other a lot. We do a lot more things than joke around with each other.
Yeah, I saw your TikTok.
Yeah.
So I would be like, "Ooh, pam talaga."
Pam-pam?
Ako, papampam ako sa'yo? Papampam ako sa'yo nung una? Excuse me, hindi ako papampam. Kasi pwede ba sumagot din?
Sige.
Press the button.
Answer. Is it true, Herlin, that you are pam-pam daw?
Ang kapal naman ng pagmumukha mo, hindi yung totoo. For your information,
She's not
hindi ako papampam. Talagang hindi siya natingin talaga sa amin.
As in, medyo suplado.
Oo, talagang parang pagdating niya ng bang angas niya, akala mo kung sino naman. Dumating siya doon, ganyan. Ganyan. And then parang, syempre, chika-chika kami ng mga kabaklaan doon. Sabi na, ay, ayan na pala yun, yun na pala. Pero hindi naman papampam na yung parang dadaan. What is your papampam ba?
Me?
Ay,
What do you mean
hindi.
by papampam?
Oo.
When you say papampam?
Ay, ganito ba to? Yung ganyan. Umayos ka, hindi ako papampam dyan. Nagigil ako, hindi ako
No,
papampam.
not for
Maybe
me.
that
not
time
for
you're
me. No,
shy.
like I said, it was the first impression.
time, yeah.
Like her first impression was me.
What
of
is
me
papampam
was
for you?
like-
Baka they believe talaga that I'm papampam.
no,
Like,
my like I said, my first impression was wrong. Just like her first impression of me, right? She said I was serious. I was not interacting with
Arrogant.
any arrogant
Yeah.
or
Okay.
yabang and everything, right? But it was just the first interaction, like right away.
Yeah.
Diba? It's wrong. Now that I know Herlin
Yeah.
a lot more, Herlin is herself no matter where she goes.
Very deep.
Very talkative.
Talkative.
Very
Yeah.
talkative, very
She is.
engaging with people.
Okay, yeah, I
Diba?
know that.
Very kind, very
Yeah.
like super engaging with one no matter where she goes, right? For me at that time, I'm not like that right away. I am very
Is that a plus point for you?
For me, a plus point?
Plus factor.
Of course.
Oh, tinulungan
Ganda
ka,
mo, girl.
tinulungan ka namin, girl. Pa 5
Oo.
hams ka mamaya para...
More tawa mo saya